Assalamu alaikum sange jol bakhair kaifa halak we get in buongiorno. Alright, so this video is about uh, well, I was seeing someone for a very long time and I think around a month. Well, she was beautiful and yeah, I've been meaning to meet her and take her out on a date, and finally today's the day. All right, she's someone that is going to you know, she already made me happy the day I met her, and it was amazing. So today I'm going to make you meet her, and she's Jordina. Yeah, so I call her Jordina, right? So I'll show you Jordina in a second. Meet Jordina. So people in Italy are actually fitness freaks. Everybody wants to, they like to work out, run, go for jogs, go for walks, and basically play any sports or any or everything because they want to stay fit. And I have wanted to, be fit myself. So bhai, and fitness goes hand in hand with studies and activities. So today I'm going to go, actually I found a basketball court and I'm gonna go there, and you guys are gonna come with me. All right, so there are some rules. Okay, so the rules are that you have to play alone since it's still COVID, it's still lockdown. You have to play basketball alone. That's what I'm going to do, taking some precautions first. Avanti, let's go. Or andiamo. Yeah, let's go. All right, so this is the basketball court, and it's slightly wet because I think maybe it rained and something. Yeah, let's just warm up and start throwing some hoops. Ah, I'm sweating like hell, but should have brought a towel too. But I needed this, to stay fit. This is kind of my breakthrough too. So I kind of need it. Yeah. All right, so I had an amazing session of, I think, around 2.5 hours. Ah, loved it, loved every single bit of it. And the ending is basically there are two dogs in front of me, and they're like the black one's really, really playful. And I'm gonna just end this video by saying that I'm just gonna show you the video.